In this lesson, Bella will be tackling the parallel parker manoeuvre that many learners worry about, but when broken down into simple steps is much easier than it first appears. We'll look at how to position the car, when to steer, the observations needed throughout the manoeuvre, and how to finish safely and accurately alongside the curb. So follow along with Bella's lesson and learn the techniques that help make you confidently complete a parallel park for your driving test. And if you're finding this series useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. It really helps the channel and support future driving content. This is my sort of training ground for parallel park. You know that bay I was in before?
Yeah.
Park in it.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. Put up on the left hand side.
Yeah.
Before that car. Now that lamppost, this is the side of the road.
Yep.
That is the car.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. When you're ready, I want you to pull up alongside the car.
In that bit
yeah.
Okay.
Hang on. And then reverse it backwards, ensuring the car finishes reasonably close to the curb.
Yep.
Straight and parallel. And try and complete it in 2 car lengths. Now, we've got 2 bays here. We're in the second car bay. So, no further than this. We're talking tires and tarmac distance.
Okay.
You're not asked to park between 2 cars for the parallel parking you test.
Okay.
It's literally just bring it back there. Now, looking in your mirror, can you tell me how much my door handle? You can see my thumb here, can't you? We're going to use this here as my reference.
Okay.
Think of a clock. 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, we're going to steer it round to... I'll show you how it's done, I'll talk you how to it. Right, here we go. So, we're nice and straight and parallel, looking really important. Any cars around, pop on the signal. Okay.
Do you have to stop the manoeuvre completely if a car comes by?
Yes,
yeah.
You've got to give way to them.
Is it a minor or...?
It could be it depends on how the effect on other road users. But the best way to finding out is
stop.
Don't. Yeah. Looking around, a little bit of movement. One full turn, or even a bit more, just get us around to about 1 o'clock. That's 12 o'clock. You tell me where 1 o'clock is.
We're at about 2
there.
o'clock now.
So we're going to straighten. That's not 2 o'clock. It's about 1 o'clock there. So that's 3. That's 1. That'll be 2 there. People always underestimate.
If that's 1,
yeah,
and this is 3.
Yeah.
No, if that's 12 and this
that's
is
not
3.
12. That's 12.
Why is that 12?
Because that's 12
4.
o'clock. That's 3 o'clock. I'm steering around to 1 o'clock.
We're closer to 3 than we are 12 now. So we're on 2.
No, we're all right. Okay, we're all right. Don't you picky thing. Anyway, it doesn't really matter when you're going out because you're just bringing the car out. That's not quite so wildly important. What is when you come back. Now, turning point, back of the car to the back of the car. In this case, the lamppost is representing the back of the car.
Yeah.
Pop it in reverse. Looking all around. Little bit of movement. Now, just 1 full turn. Looking over my shoulder for blind spots because I can't swing out. And get it to 1 o'clock. Where is 1 o'clock? We're about now, isn't it? Yeah, 30 degrees. Make it go straight. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to drive backwards until my door handle reaches the curb. You tell me when it reaches the curb.
No.
I'm going to full lock. Bring it round. And then straighten it out there. And you can use the full 2 whips. Use the space because you've got to drive off afterwards. It's easier to see it. Check your blind spot now. That's it. Bring it around. Turn her up. Nice and slow. So you're basically going to bring the car out, straighten her up, and then turn it into position. Full lock, bring it in, and then stir it out. That's it. Straighten it up. You look quite straight. That's it. There you go. You go straight and parallel. Just bring it around a little bit. You'll be right. Okay. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, lovely. Right, pop in reverse.
Yep.
Looking all around. A little bit of movement. Get it moving a foot or so. 1 full turn. Check your blind spot. Mirror. Car's swinging out. This speed's lovely. Nice and slow. That's it. Bring it round. Straighten it. Straighten it.
I'm not there yet.
No. You're at 1 o'clock though. You're driving straight at it. So round. That's the whole point. You'd be too sharp. That's it. Bring it back. When you're there, full lock, fast hands. Dip the clutch even if you have to. Yeah. See, because you've got a bit of movement, you're going to hit the curb. Now, stop. Put the brake on. This is how you park it if you're parking in real life. You're coming a bit sharper. How are you going to get this into place now?
Go backwards.
No, what, forward 4 locks to the left?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. First gear. Get the car around that way. Full lock. Fast hands. And bring it forwards. Bring it in. That's exactly how you park. Then you can stop there and you can just bring it backwards there.
Okay.
So if you're about to hit the curb, that's what we do. Bring it forwards to the left, and then just bring it back. So pop her in reverse.
Yep.
Okay, and just steer it. Get the wheels around that way, and just steer it down the road. That's it. You still got the wheels are still going towards the curb. So that way. You've got a lot of turns, haven't you? 3 turns from blocks. Turn. Don't use the brake as a clutch. Just feathering the clutch. Right, steer it that way. That's it. Steer it away from the curb, and then that's it. Now straighten her up, and bring it back a bit for me. Let's do us a little bit closer to the curb. Right, stop there. Okay, that'll be okay.
Yeah.
And you drive off. So for that, you pick up a driver because you do control of the car.
Yeah.
Let's have another go. Get it back in position. So you have to come out a bit more sharper this time, won't you? And put it back in there. Check the blind spot. Signal if there's anyone around. That's it. So you're going to need to bring it out a little bit, aren't we? Straighten it. Now turn it in full lock. So you've had to be a bit sharper because we're a bit closer. That's all it was. You're full lock.
Yeah.
Yeah, bring it around there. Now you shouldn't have to use anywhere near a brake. The brake should only be if you're running downhill or if you need to secure it at the end. You should be able to just feather that clutch. Now straighten it, look. Stop there. Now you need to come forward a little bit because you're a little bit close to there. That's it.
I forgot that was a car.
That's it. Back of the car. So you just look over the back. You just see where it is level there. Okay, brilliant. Lovely.
Yeah.
Right. On your own.
I need to go back into that one position,
Yeah.
don't I? Not that way. This way.
Yeah, we'll back that way. Check that blind spot. Just even before you turn there, we'll have a look down that mirror at least.
Okay, I'm back up.
Okay, and back to straight.
Straight leg. And then I go
Yeah.
straight
Just
back
drive straight back.
until...
Now, you see, you're not quite 1 o'clock, so you're going to be, the curb's going to be a little bit, hand a little bit over because it's a little bit shallower angle, you see. Sure it's there yet? Not that way, is it? It's going to be steer it away from the curb. Like, keep it moving. It's got to be a moving, but that references to where you're just driving through there. You want full lock, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bring it round. Bring it round. This is good. Bring it round. Look at the front there, and as it comes round straight, start to straighten the wheel, straighten the wheel, straighten the wheel, straighten the wheel, straighten the weel. It's a lot easier just using looking front. Look at the car to line yourself up with it. There you go. That'll do you. Well done. It's as simple as that.
Hot.
Yeah. Should we go for a little bit of drive and get the aircon on?
Well, it depends where we're driving.
Well, we need to drive someone to pull up on the right and reverse now, the last manoeuvre.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm just going to make the camera a little bit less on the roof.
Okay. You don't know how tempted I was to drive off while you were dangling up.
Yo. Think better.
Not like leave, just go over there.
Just enough to scare me. Lovely. Okay. Drive on, let's go up the car park. Steer. Check your blind spot. Hold on. There we go. So that's 3 of the manoeuvres done. So if you liked our videos, please support our channel, press like and subscribe, press the notify because we're landing brand new videos every single week.